Hey there, beautiful souls. Let me ask you a question. How many times have you picked up a pair of scissors and thought, this is magical? Probably never, right? I get it. We think of them as tools, something to cut fabric, paper, or that annoying plastic packaging. But here's the twist. Scissors are ancient symbols of power, of decision, of letting go. And today, we're going to shift how you see them forever. In this video, I'll show you how to work with scissors for everything from cord cutting to protection to deep energy cleansing. And no, you don't need a fancy silver witchy pair. Your kitchen drawer scissors will do just fine. Let's start this journey into everyday magic with one very underestimated tool. Scissors aren't just blades and hinges. They hold deep symbolic power. Think about it. Two blades working in harmony. Duality. Yin and yang. The union of forces. Just like magic, right? They represent focus because they do one thing. Cut with precision. Transformation because they change something from whole to separated. Release, letting go of old energy, people, or patterns. Protection, they can sever ties with negativity. In ancient times, scissors were often hung near cribs or under beds to ward off evil spirits. Even in folk magic today, they're placed above doorways to protect the home. So when you use scissors in your spell work, you're working with the energy of change, clarity, and cutting cords, literally and spiritually. Ready for some practical magic? Let's talk cord cutting. Cord cutting is about energetically releasing attachments to people, old versions of yourself, past trauma, or toxic situations. You'll need a white or black candle, a photo or a name written on paper, your scissors cleansed and charged, a quiet space. Light your candle and call in protection. Archangel Michael is great for this. Hold the paper and visualize the energetic cord between you and the person or situation. Say, with love and power, I now release what no longer serves me. Cut the paper in one decisive snip. Breathe deeply. Sit with the energy shift. Dispose of the paper or burn it if safe. This ritual is super powerful during the waning moon or on a Saturday for banishing. Protection magic with scissors. Scissors can also be your guardians. Here are a few ways to use them for protection. Place a pair under your pillow, blades closed, to ward off nightmares or psychic attacks. Hang scissors above your front door to cut negative energy from entering. Leave them near your altar, pointing away, to deflect harmful energy. To activate them, pass them through incense or sage smoke. Say, guard me from harm by blade and charm. Visualize a glowing shield around them. Scissors aren't just passive protectors. They're active energetic swords. Ever felt foggy? Indecisive? Here's a quick ritual for cutting through the noise. You'll need your scissors, a small slip of paper, pen, a candle, yellow or white is ideal. Write what you need clarity on, a decision, situation, or thought. Hold your scissors and say, I cut through the fog. I welcome clarity. Snip the paper gently once. Imagine your mind sharpening, your third eye glowing. Sit in silence. Breathe. Let answers rise to the surface. You can also keep the scissors on your desk, charged for mental clarity, like a magical paperweight of power. Binding doesn't have to be dark. It's just holding energy in place. And scissors help with that too. Here's a binding plus banishing spell. Write the habit, behavior, or name on paper. Fold it tightly and tie it with black thread. As you snip the thread, say, I bind this from causing harm, and I banish it from my path. Then dispose of it. Bury, burn, or toss it far away, ethically, please. This is a serious ritual, so be super clear on your intent. Don't use this out of anger. Use it for healing and protection. Before using your scissors in magic, treat them like any ritual tool. Cleanse them by passing through incense smoke, sprinkling with salt or moon water, placing on a windowsill during the full moon. To charge them, place them on your altar. Surround with crystals like clear quartz or obsidian. Say, I charge these blades with sacred power. May they cut only for my highest good. Now they're ready for action in any spell or intention. The new moon, the perfect time to release the old and call in the new. Here's a special new moon scissor ritual. You'll need black and white paper, pen, your scissors. On the black paper, write what you're releasing. On the white, write what you're manifesting. Fold each paper 3 times. Snip the black paper while saying, I release this now with ease. Then cut the white paper and say, I call this into being. Place the white paper under your pillow or in a manifestation jar. Burn or bury the black paper. Do this monthly, and you'll start syncing your energy with lunar rhythms beautifully. How did you like this video? Let me know in the comments. We have the PDF of this if you wish to purchase for a small fee. WhatsApp us on 956-767-9487. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to get notifications of such courses. Thank you so much for watching.